Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus fiber optics. We'll dive into how each technology works, examining their fundamental principles. Understanding these basics will help you grasp their performance variations and suitability for different networking needs, ensuring you make informed decisions for your connectivity requirements. When it comes to speed, fiber optics truly shines, offering incredible bandwidth for massive data transfer. Copper, while reliable, has limitations, especially over longer distances where signal degradation becomes a factor. Fiber's ability to transmit data over vast distances without significant loss is a major advantage for large networks. Considering cost, copper cabling usually has a lower initial price point for materials. However, fiber optic components, particularly the transceivers, can increase the overall expense. Installation also differs. Copper is simpler, while fiber requires more precision and specialized knowledge for proper termination and deployment. Regarding durability, copper can be affected by electromagnetic interference, which fiber optics completely avoids. Fiber also provides superior security against data tapping, making it ideal for sensitive applications. Both have their place, from home networks to vast data centers. For other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.